We are celebrating the Big Sit, and that is part of the Great Texas Birding Classic. It's essentially just a big tailgate for birders. Just getting together and trying to spot as many birds as possible within our 50-foot circle over at the Woodland Bird Blind. I absolutely love birding. There's so many species that we get to see throughout the year here. You know, we have over 650 different species of birds that fly through Texas. We have quite a few that like to stop over here and breed.
So the Great Birding Classic is an event held all across Texas, and groups get together to do a bird count. I love to be outdoors, and I love to get other people interested in being outdoors. That's the prize bird over there. That's the male painted bunting, the colorful one that's on the feeder. That's an immature male painted bunting. I always remember their call from when I was a little kid. My parents would have the windows open in the springtime, and you could just hear them singing. So when I hear them singing in the spring, that's what it reminds me of when I was a kid. It's just nice to get out and talk to people and share knowledge and get them more interested in nature itself. They're pretty good.
Birding is a great hobby. If you just look out your window at your house and you have birds out there and you enjoy them, then you're a birder. It's a very accessible hobby.
Pretty well a lifetime birder. Just out here because I love watching birds and contributing to citizen science. Just out here trying to see all the birds we can see and how many of them there are.
Been birding for a few years now. My mom got me into it, so I've been hooked since then.
I was able to see a blue-headed vireo in the tree up here, got a picture of it, so got to identify that and it made the board.
Well, we still need that swallow to keep saying.
So we have a nesting pair of zone tails over at Honey Creek. Everyone seems to be having a great time. We're still keeping our fingers crossed that we'll get some more species. Oh, just saw another lesser goldfinch. You are kind of novice birders.
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah, so I would recommend kind of hanging out inside the bird blind for a little bit, just so you can get some identification practice, because we have skills of all level here.
You don't have to be an expert. You're going to learn as you go. I mean, I've been birding for 6 years, and I feel like I know very little some days. I have fun with it. I enjoy it.
I got into birding this season. I'd say I realized that obviously migration time is the perfect time to get into it. Excited to maybe see birds that I haven't seen before. It's really fun, and I'm glad that there are people here that know a lot more than we do to explain some of the birds that maybe we don't know too much about.
Bunting's back.
Bunting, yeah.
We have some folks kind of spread out, but the goal is within a 50-foot circle. Anything you can spot. We have one main identifier, Miss Lucy. She is the one in the green shirt over there, but we have our board going. If you spot something that we don't already have, just be like, hey, we spotted something, and here they kind of come to you.
It's just about being willing to learn and listen. It is definitely a quiet adventure, so it's good to just take time to listen to nature around you and start to pick up the different calls that birds have.
It's relaxing. It gets me out in nature. It makes me realize, that there's a lot more to the world than, the four walls that I am in most of the time. You don't have to be an expert. You just have to get out there and have fun.